Remember, you gotta save it. Try. Okay, come on. Okay, well, let me do one more time. And then it's your turn.
My tongue.
Okay, we got some tape. See, got a really nice save for me. Okay, hold on, please. Sorry, we're trying to get this on camera. Hey, baby, move.
Camry, go break dance over there. Nice.
Okay, stand over there a little bit further. Come here, give me the ball. Stand this way a little. Okay, stop. Now try to dive. Nice.
Yay.
Okay, Paisley, try to score on the table. And go back there and then run to the ball and try to kick it.
Hey, I camp in here, so don't play soccer.
Are you okay?
I think we got our little soccer player right here.
Alright, say yellow card, I just hurt my toe.
Okay, come here. Okay, try it again.
Hey, we'll have to put her in next year.
This time you're never gonna get it.
Close.
Wow, Paisley.
You got me all tangled. I got free time. You got me all tangled up though.
Baby, you gotta move.
What the?
I don't
Camry,
think
come
I
here.
like playing with her. She's just gonna give us glory.
Hold on. Hold on.
Oh my god.
Oh, that was good. Come here, give me the ball.
Oh yeah.
Okay, Peggy, don't hit the carpet. It will hurt your toes.
Okay, last time, and then I'm turning it off.
Did you get the one in the beginning?
Yeah.